up guys, it's Brayden here with another video today. We're ice fishing Lake Darlin after blizzard came through. I think we got around 13 inches of snow last night, so pretty crazy day, but we're out here fishing and see if we can catch some fish. See you on the ice. Alrighty, so we just got set up. We got the tent. We're sitting about 10 feet of water, but yeah, we'll see you there. Alrighty, so we made it in the tent. As you can see, we got the setup going on. We got the dead stick per person, and we're in about 9 to 10 feet. Going back in like 4th to 8, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. Pretend I'm dead.
Well, you might be on your dead stick, Brayden. It's like I lied.
If it falls over. Oh, dude, I missed the hook set. I felt the nibble and then I went, so I was a little late. Darn it.
Hey, we're getting action now. Good stuff! Get him up, get him up. Ooh, dang!
That's a decent one. Do not knock over my bubbler.
That's a good one, Brayden.
Decent eater. That's a good eater.
That's a good ear, dude.
Oh, you rat.
Ooh, bubbler down.
Got that eater walleye, baby.
That's good.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not good.
No.
Yeah, if they're in like they did last time, we would have had the whole school perch. Oh, you can see him right there.
He's right on me.
It's hard to see when he got big yet. Oh, here he comes.
It's just a big low spot because we can't even see him. Pretty sure he's still under there, right? Oh, your dead stick is moving.
It's just my minnow, I think.
I know, but usually it freaks me out.
Your dead stick is tweaking, bro. Your minnow must be spazzing.
He's breakdancing.
I don't know what else to do to attract them.
Just wait for real. Or that thing to fly up.
Yeah, we got a jaw jacket right there, so if that goes up, we'll have it set already.
Is he still there?
I can't tell. I think so though.
Jig dad? He's right below me.
Oh,
Oh, he's moving left, moving left.
From you, Kaden. I was coming back.
Watch this, ready? He's gonna kill on the land.
This thing is like play dead right there.
Play dead. Oh, he's going right. Please hit my dead thing.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
On the bottom. And we worked him for a while.
No chilling. Like, how are you not going to eat that? You feel me?
Whoa.
That one came out from deep inside.
Ooh, what is that? Big pike. Big
Oh yeah, big fish, big fish.
Holy frick.
Big fish.
Oh!
Don't run.
Oh, he's back down the right, bottom right.
Yeah, it spooked him a little bit. Just go easy on it.
Yeah, I see. That's a nice fish.
Come on, bite. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good hooks.
Don't rub against the hole. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, he's decent.
Okay, grab him.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Atta boy.
Came off pretty easy, actually.
Alright, I say we get a picture of that, John. How big do you think that is?
16, 17.
Close to 16.
Kaden just had a decent pike, decent eater, probably like 15, 14, come loose right at the hole. And good thing the lure didn't go to his face because that thing flew. Get him. Get him.
Holy smokes. Ain't gonna hold me?
Nice. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
No. Oh.
Another one, dude.
He hit that right as it fell. Did you see that?
Yeah. Holy, oh, there's so many belts.
I set the hook on him really hard. It was probably bad on my part. Dang. There's one.
Nice job, Brayden. Another one coming in, James.
Yeah, I see him.
I'm
Holy,
making
so
sure I
many
get
fish.
this up. Dude! What the frick? What? I keep losing them. That's so dumb.
Good stuff.
Oh my goodness. That's another nice hook set. Nice.
Good stuff, James.
Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up.
Oh, this one.
Nice. Let's go. I'm not moving my foot. You're not losing. Let's go. On the hyperglide, baby. Hyperglide fish. Good eater.
Finally. These boys have been whacking my butt.
Two.
Oh, there's one. Oh, there's 2 or 3 down there.
Of course.
Yes, as soon as you pulled up. Just chop that middle part of that body.
You got it, yeah. Go, kid.
Dead stick, Brayden.
That's it.
Watch your dead stick.
Man, this whole freaking.
Oh, here.
Oh,
Got him.
Yep. Do not come
Could
off.
be a perch.
Do not
I think it
come
is a
off.
perch. It's a
Do
little
not
mark.
come off. Do not come off.
Oh, that's one. Cover.
Oh, still a decent little walleye. We're gonna let him go and let him live for another day. Jeez.
See ya.
Alrighty, so that's gonna be a wrap to the video. Had a good day. We missed a crap ton of fish. I'm kind of shocked on how much we missed. That's mostly my fault missing them at the hole, but low-key, good day fishing. I caught till those 3 walleye, 1 perch. Could have limited out, but you know, got the beautiful sunset behind us, and yeah, see you in the next one, boys. Peace out.